We've previously described using map pin placement to identify sign locations for rural and even in inner city or metropolitan areas. But what if your location is not on any map as yet? It's a brand new location. Well, we're going to discuss how to do that. We've logged into our SignTraker software, and the location that we need to put our sign in is for a lot on at a place called Adelaide Court. Now, Adelaide Court isn't on any maps yet. It's simply a plat. However, we do know there is a place that's close to that, so we're going to go with that. It's Adelaide Drive, and this example is in Midlothian, Virginia. So we can go ahead and select that, and as you've experienced before, our map pin is presented where we can actually now get a little more specific about this. Now, you can see here there is no Adelaide Court on the map. So what we're going to do is we're going to utilize the satellite view and actually zoom in and take a look at what we have here. Now, as the agent, you will probably be quite familiar with where the court actually is, and in this case, it's right back in this corner here. And the lot we're looking to have sold, or looking to sell rather, is right back here on the back side. Now, so what we're going to do then is we're going to drag our pin and put it right back here. Now, of course, we could put this pin wherever, we know the lot happens to be. It could be, here or maybe it's a lot back on here. You can be quite specific. So this road is only 8 feet wide or so. Putting this pin is going to give you exactly where you want to put the sign. Keep in mind that when you put this pin down, you can only use this method if in fact there is a paved surface to the sign location. For example, you could not put this pin back here. Your driver is not going to be able to deliver your sign in an area that does not have a paved or at least dirt road access to it, which means this would not be possible. That's primarily for insurance reasons, but also because he's just not going to leave his truck unattended to go back to this lower area. So make sure your site has a paved surface for installation of the sign. Once you have that specified, you can go ahead and then leave a descriptive note. Use Adelaide Drive. Court is at the end, first left. And again, we're going to use our 0 moniker here so everyone knows that that is not where we're going. And we're going to change this to court, unmarked. Having done that, you're going to have your site noted as 0 Adelaide Court, unmarked, in Midlothian, Virginia, and the driver is going to be able to use his Google Maps directions to take him right to where that is. And again, note there is no hard road showed on the current map, but he'll be able to see the paved road that you observed on your satellite view. Remember, if there's no paved road, the installer will not be able to access your site. If you have any questions, feel welcome to give us a ring or simply drop us a line at info@signtraker.com.